Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we will see how to take the screenshot of full screen and also how to take the screenshot of a web element. We will take these screenshots by making use of getScreenshotAs method from the takes screenshot interface. The screenshot could be saved in multiple formats. We will specifically see how to store it as a file. Let us now take a look at the Java docs. So this is a Java docs for takes screenshot interface. As we see, it has one method, getScreenshotAs. The description says it captures the screenshot and stores it into the specified location. So it also takes one argument, which is output type. Here we specify the format in which the screenshot should be stored. Let us go inside this. As we see, it is an interface and it has fields. Using these field values, we specify the format in which the screenshot should be created. The first format is base64, then second format is bytes, and third format is file. Since we have to store it into file, we'll specifically look into this particular field value. If we now take a look at the description, it says obtains the screenshot into a temporary file that will be deleted once the JVM exits. I would say this is an important point to note. Since this file will be deleted once the JVM exists, so we must take the backup of this file, which means we must copy this file into another directory. Let us now go back. Let us now take a look at these two examples here. So in this first example, we are taking a screenshot for the full display. And in the second example, we are taking the screenshot for a particular web element. If we take a look at line number 1, so here we have typecasted the driver into take screenshot interface, and then we are calling the method from take screenshot interface, the get screenshot as method, and as an argument we are specifying the format in which the screenshot should be saved, that is into a file. Similarly, in the next line, instead of driver, we are typecasting the web element whose screenshot need to be taken. We are typecasting again into the take screenshot interface, then calling the method get screenshot as. Here, for example, it is specified output type dot base 64. However, we'll specify the output as output type dot file only, since we need to store it into a file. Let us use this application for the demo. First, let us capture the screenshot for the full screen. Then let us capture the screenshot only for this particular button labeled as Apple. Let us now go through the code. As we see, we have instantiated the Chrome driver here. Then we are launching this application which we just now saw, drag and drop.html. We have set the page load timeout to 1 minute. Here comes the code relevant to this video. In line number 25 up till line number 31, we are taking the screenshot for the full screen. Then in line number 35 up till line number 42, we are taking the screenshot for a particular web element that we saw. This particular web element. Okay, let us go through this from line number 25. As we see, we have typecasted the driver into takes screenshot interface. Then we are calling the method get screenshot as, and we are specifying that we want to store the screenshot into a file by making use of this output type interface. As we see, the return type of this method is a file, so we have stored it into a file. When we will execute this line number 25, it will create the screenshot into a temporary folder. As we saw in the Java docs, that temporary file will get lost or deleted as soon as the program is terminated. So we now need to copy this file into another location. Before that, let us see where this file is actually created. So we have created an instance of path here. Path is a class in Java. So using this screenshot dot toPath method, we are getting the path to this file. So if we take a look at line number 30, here we are printing the path. right? So this path has a toString method, so it is printing the location where the screenshot is getting captured. That is the temporary location, right? Yeah. Now we want to copy this from the temporary location into another destination, right? So we have created a path for the destination, which is a destination path here. And here we are building the path where this should be copied. So we are making use of system.getProperty user.directory. So this will give the current user directory, that is a directory where our project is. Then we are creating a screenshots directory inside our project, and in the screenshot directory we are creating a file with the same name as it is present in the temp directory, right? Screenshot file.getName. Finally, now we have source path and the destination path. So using these two path instances, we are invoking the API files.copy. So this is another Java class. This will copy the file from the source path to the destination path. Finally, in line number 30 and 31, we are printing the two paths. This is the source path and this is the destination path. Well, that is how we would take the screenshot and we would copy it from temp folder to screenshot folder in our project. On similar lines, we would perform a screenshot capture for a web element. So here first we have located the web element whose screenshot need to be captured. We have located by ID. Now, if you take a look at line number 36, it is same as line number 25. The only difference here is here we are typecasting the driver instance because we need to take the screenshot for the full screen. And here we are typecasting the web element because we have to take the screenshot only for a particular web element. Rest is all same. Again, we are printing the original temporary location and the destination path where we have copied, that is inside our project. Okay, here is the output. The first file got generated in the temp folder. It has the name 472.png. Then this temp file was copied into the screenshots folder, into this folder. And it also has the same name 470.2.png. Okay, so this is the snapshot for the full screen 472.png. If we open this file, so we could see the full screen here, right? Yeah. And now the next one 371.png. If we open this, we see the snapshot only for a particular web element. Let us quickly see what we have covered in today's video. So we saw how to take the screenshot for a full screen, and we also saw how to take the screenshot for a particular web element. We understood the takes a screenshot. We saw that it has a method get screenshot as to capture the screenshots, and in the argument we specify, making use of this output type interface, we specify what is the format in which the screenshot need to be saved. Well, that's all for this video. Hope you liked it. Like, share and comment if you are interested in such videos. Thank you.